Today we're testing out one of my new favorite knives. This is a pocket knife from 704 Gear. It has a Damascus Steel blade and Blood Sandalwood handle. It's super sharp, feels great to use, and it comes shipped to your door, ready for you to cut what you need as well. Inside the box, you have a nice carrying case with a soft inner liner. You have a warranty card and some stickers, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and then your pocket knife. If you push the flipper, it easily snaps open and locks into place. And when it's locked in the open position, it feels sturdy and firm. You don't need to worry about it snapping shut on your fingers. It has a pocket clip on the side, so you can keep this on your person, and a paracord hole on the bottom. And in my opinion, it looks really sleek. I'm a fan of the Damascus Steel blade, not to mention the wood design handle. But we have to properly test it. So first, I tested the durability and used it as a throwing knife and did some target practice. And as expected, it held up fine, even with all the missed throws. Then I tested the sharpness and whittled down some sticks and sharpened them for some more projectiles. And of course, I used this for my unboxings. The blade is surprisingly sharp, and it cuts through everything with ease. The overall length of the knife is 8.07 inches, with a 3.35 inch blade and a 4.72 inch handle. When it's collapsed down, it takes up little room, and it's quite compact. The knife opens smoothly, and the handle fits in my hand perfectly. Then when you're done with it and want to close it, push the slide lock over and fold the knife back in. So far, it's been so useful around the farm. I have no complaints. So if you're looking for a durable knife that's sharp and looks cool, this knife from 704 Gear might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go do some more target practice. See ya.